How to add text animation in CapCut. CapCut text animation tutorial. Want to take your videos to the next level with eye-catching text animations? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create amazing animated text in CapCut. It's simple, fun, and will make your content stand out. Let's dive in. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import your video or image that you want to add text to. Now for the fun part, animation. Tap on your text layer, then go to the Animation tab. Here, you'll find 3 categories: in, out, and loop. Each one offers unique effects. Choose an in animation to make your text appear dynamically. Adjust the duration to control how fast or slow the animation plays. Want to make it even more interesting? Combine effects by adding both in and out animations. You can also apply a loop animation for continuous movement. For more advanced animations, use the keyframe tool. With this, you can create custom movements like sliding, zooming, or rotating text to match your video perfectly. Once you're happy with your animated text, tap the Export button, choose your resolution, and save your project. Your video is ready to impress. And that's it. You've learned how to create stunning text animations in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative editing tips. See you in the next video.